Faith is a journey in itself. One seldom seems to embrace it easily. It often needs to be nurtured to grow. Children, for example, have faith that their parents will protect and care for them until life's experiences may reveal otherwise. And even then, at some point, if we are blessed to grow in maturity, we recognize that people give of themselves from where they are and from how they themselves have been nurtured. When we believe that God will provide us with what we need, then we are more open to receive it. And in this spirit, we tend to also be more open to accepting full responsibility for where we are in our lives. And while we may realistically consider that others may have contributed to our condition, at some point we must say, be that as it may, my choices are now in my hands, and with God's guidance, I will be all right. Faith is a journey that strengthens us along our path of life and assures us that all is well.